100 million tons of plastic is used every year, but less than 5% of it is recycled. Plastic litter clogs sewer systems, causing deadly floods, and degrades our nature. Animals suffer the most consequences of plastic waste.
One of the most ubiquitous and long-lasting recent changes to the surface of our planet is the accumulation and fragmentation of plastics. The following slides will simply discuss why we should care about the pollution of the environment by plastic articles. Evidence is mounting that the chemical building blocks that make plastic so versatile are the same components that might harm people and the environment. Its production and disposal contribute to an array of environmental problems as well. Chemicals added to plastic are absorbed by human bodies. Some of these compounds have been found to alter hormones or have other potential human health effects. Floating plastic waste, which can survive for thousands of years in water, serves as many transportation devices for invasive species, disrupting habitats. Plastic debris, laced with chemicals and often ingested by marine animals, can injure or poison wildlife.
Urban systems can incorporate zero-waste goals in their development. This can be done by creating laws so businesses are forced to take care of their own waste disposal. Cities can also have community composting sites to dispose waste that can be beneficial for the Earth's soil, which would also be beneficial for growing food. Recycling with the company TerraCycle in communities would be a great way to reduce plastic pollution by recycling the plastic that normally can't be recycled. Also, trash can be broken down into fuel for energy for people in the city.
Every year, 8 million metric tons of plastic end up in our oceans. That's equivalent to 5 grocery bags filled with plastic per every foot of coastline. How can we as people reduce our waste? Corporations may earn federal or state tax incentives for practicing zero-waste policy in the workplace. Or simply, practice zero-waste ideas in your everyday life. Reuse plastic bags, buy groceries in bulk, and be a conscious recycler. Get involved and make sure your community is making a commitment to zero-waste policy.
Researchers and organizations worldwide have found many possible solutions to society's dangerously high plastic consumption. The Helmholtz Center for Environmental Research in Germany found success in using microorganisms for bioremediation, a process that eliminates environmental contamination caused by plastic waste products. However, they are still figuring out what microorganisms are the most effective for this process. English chemical engineers Paul Williams and Jude O proposed burning plastic and using the methane produced for power, a process known as water gasification. The Washington, D.C.-based Ocean Conservancy Trash Free Sea Alliance has determined the top 4 countries contributing to plastic waste that include China, Indonesia, the Philippines, and Vietnam. The reports give hopeful news that enforcing local plastic recycling plans in these countries can stop 65% of plastic waste from being put into the Earth's ecosystem. Here in the United States, San Francisco has already made progress toward becoming a zero-waste city. Implementation of a 3-bin waste system that includes landfill, compost, and recycling, both residentially and commercially, has allowed for an 80% trash diversion rate from landfills among the city's residents.
To See America as a zero-waste society will take years, however, urban systems are on step to the right direction. Zero-waste cities will reduce the amount of waste going into landfills, overall reducing plastic pollution and creating a cleaner Earth.